Trust me, this is the only humane thing to do to this car. Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today, as you can see from the packaging, is a Matchbox Soap Car. But seeing as I've never even heard of these, I have no idea what's in store. Doesn't look too appetizing from here though. I got this in a mail call from Mike Espo. I know he sent a few of these around. Jim Silva got one. Mike's uploaded a couple of his own videos featuring these. I guess I'm one of the few and very lucky recipients. But thanks anyways, Big Mike. All gifts are appreciated, and I'm, intrigued by this one. All right. I'm going in. Oh, wow. That's disgusting. I wish you could smell this. Look at the mess. The car has decomposed inside of this glycerin soap. There's hardly any paint left. Oh, write in the comments below your one-word adjective that best describes what I'm experiencing firsthand right now. This is putrid. There is nothing nice about this at all. Happy birthday, little Johnny. Have fun with this one. Oh. So I washed it off and cleaned it up as best I could. Should be much better now. Look what's left of it. What kind of evil scientists developed this concept? This is a cheap plastic base. Doesn't say Matchbox on it. Plastic rivets. Pretty easy to get inside. There's more. There's no end to this. On to nicer things. Coming up on MapleLeaf Customs, the Four Horsemen theme in February is Rat Rod. To kick off the March Porsche madness, I've got a barn find diorama, and I'm doing 5 customs. It'll be giveaway draw prizes for my annual All Porsche Invitational. I hope you'll get all subbed up and tune in for those. I sure do appreciate your support. Well, after good washing number 2, cleaning out the insides, I've got these basic components. The body, a black plastic glass, and a plastic chassis with cheap plastic wheels. Here's a close-up. What's left of the red paint is ready to peel off. I'm trying not even to handle that too closely. Boy, not a lot of money went into production here. Okay, I'll put the pieces back together. The glass pops onto a little post there. And I'm just going to snap the chassis back in without even screwing it together. It's pretty tight. It does roll, I'll give you that. Today's community shoutout goes to the YouTube channel ratblacks Diecast. If you follow the link I left in the description, I hope you won't find a soap car in there, just lots of cool car videos. I found this Matchbox Soap Transporter set on eBay. Looks a little cleaner. Mike, I put a lot of thought into this one. Not really. And there's only one good use for the Matchbox Soap Car. So out comes my original Scorched Earth diorama. And this one's going to be a Gaslands burned out on a garbage heap prop. I'm trying to place it just the right way so that it blends in with the rest of the trash. I've always wanted to do this. Got my wife's creme brulee torch out. I thought it would blacken the metal instantly, but it doesn't. Good job on burning the paint flakes. Definitely melts the plastic. Whoa! Ignition. I'll blow that out. In order to get the burned out blackened smoke effect, I put it in the spray booth. And I'm going to just do sort of an up one side with some Vallejo Model Air Black. I'm using a spray gunner cordless airbrush. Hey, this is actually a pretty realistic effect here, along with the melted tires. Alright, that's all I'm going to do. Let's place that back on the diorama now and see what it looks like. Oh, that fits in. When it caught on fire earlier, it gave me the idea I might get a cool smoke effect here. If I put a little wad of paper towel, lit it on fire under the car. It burns itself out in a moment. And I've got this mesmerizing wisp of smoke coming out here. Hey, that's cool. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to wash up and give the soap itself a test. It's even shaped like a poop emoji. Oh, that's greasy feeling. This soap is worse than the car. Sure hope there's no ill effects from this. I hope you got a laugh out of this fun video. Thanks again for the car, Big Mike. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.